In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to video in Midjourney. We're turning a single image into a fluid AI-generated video using Midjourney's built-in motion tools. To begin, open Midjourney in your browser and sign in so you can access the creation workspace. From the main interface, look for the Create option and click it. This takes you to the Imagine page, where you'll see a workspace with an upper panel for assets and controls. At the top, click Add Images. This is where you'll provide the source visuals that the video animation will be based on. You'll notice a slot labeled Starting Frame. Click that and upload the image you want to animate. Choose the highest quality version you have. Clean details, sharp edges, and good lighting typically produce better motion results. If your image has a specific aspect ratio in mind for the final video, try to crop or prepare it ahead of time to match that, as it can help avoid unexpected reframing. If you also want your animation to transition to a different ending pose or scene, you can add an ending frame. This is optional, but it's a powerful way to guide the movement from point A to point B. When you upload an ending image, try to keep the subject scale and composition reasonably consistent with the starting frame for smoother interpolation. Next, click Motion. This activates the video features and tells Midjourney you're animating rather than generating a still. You'll see settings that relate to how the model will create movement, like how dynamic or subtle the motion can be. Don't worry if you're new to this, the defaults are a great place to start. Now click Settings to fine-tune the behavior. Then click Model to choose the rendering model used for your animation. Different models can emphasize fidelity, style, or motion coherence. If you're unsure, pick the recommended or latest video-capable model for a balanced result. Before you finalize, click More Options. Here you can review additional controls that influence the output, such as motion intensity, potential duration, and visual preferences. Think of this as your final checklist. Confirm the images are correct, the model is selected, and the motion settings match your intent. When you're satisfied, click Submit. Midjourney will process your request and generate the video based on your starting frame and, if provided, your ending frame. Give it a moment to render. When it's done, play it back to ensure the motion feels natural. If you want a stronger or softer effect, you can return to motion settings or more options and iterate until it matches your vision.